Here we are at the Kern River. Came fishing today. Try out for some bass, catfish. See what else we find here. Secret spot. I forgot to ask my brother too.
Someone's been here recently.
Yeah?
Oh, it's perfect. Perfect.
This is it used to be, or maybe back in the day, a little cliff jumping spot. They would come up here for rock climbing, as well as cliff jumping. It's a beautiful spot right here. There's a lot more water than there was before. We came here like, when was the last time we came here?
Probably like 4 months ago.
Probably 4 or 5 months ago we were here. It's been a while. The water was a lot calmer then and a lot lower. Right now the water seems to have risen. We're gonna work our way down the river. We got some live minnows. Try this out for a bit, and some worms, night crawlers. See how it goes. Some golden shiners from up north. Here we go. From underneath the lip, above the lip. Here it is. Nice and set up. Right on the lip. First cast, first bass. Oh! Dude! I would have slipped. I caught myself right there. Dude, I slipped right there. Wow, that was a close one. Oh, he just had a bite. Dude, we're gonna get close right now, watch. I got one. Off the shiner, the little minnow. As it was coming up, it took it. The little minnow actually survived. It swam away, but replaced with the bass. Whoa, dang. Now I'm gonna throw the bass out as a bait now.
Hey, throw it with the minnow.
Cool little bass. First one of the day. Gotta watch out because this is a cliff and I do not want to fall. Just go ahead and throw them back in. Oh, nice. Perfect, swam away. There you go. Okay, so I literally had this right here. Look at that. That's moving. Oh, yep, that's moving. Here we go. Set the hook. Oh, yep, that's it. That's it. We got one. We got one. Oh, and it's right here on the edge. Whoa, okay.
Oh, beauty.
That's a beauty. What is this? What kind of fish is this?
Sacramento minnow.
Sacramento minnow. Sacramento pike minnow.
Some shit like that.
Oh yeah, I got him good. Parasites.
There you go, bro.
Just like that. He's free. Here we are again, back at the Kern River. We are in between Bakersfield and Lake Isabella. Beautiful river all the way through. Lots of good spots to fish. Yesterday we were at a spot literally around these behind these mountains right here. We got a worm on a drop shot, weight about 1.5 liter, 8-pound test. Here we go. Oh, there it is. There we go. Got one. What is this? It's putting up a fight. Oh wow. Oh wow, oh wow. Putting up a good fight. Oh yeah. Cool little fish. This is a, damn, what did my friend say it was? Sacramento pike minnow. Here it is. Well, beautiful little fish. Kind of mad, kind of upset. But there you go, buddy. All right. Nice. Beautiful fishing spot. Oh, got me a little bass. Tiny baby bass. That little bass right there. Little smallie. Or no, it's a little, yeah, it's a smallie. Look at that. Hey, a bass, a fish is a fish, guys. We're not getting skunked today. I didn't expect to. It's a good spot right here. All right. Whoa, oh, just got something. Got me a little bass, a little bit bigger. Another little dink, but still a fish. Awesome. Worms all day, guys. Worms all day. Crazy looking bass. Let it go. Bam, perfect little dive. And let's continue moving down. Path down here does get a little tricky. Coming down and going up. Whew. Cool little hike. That's where I was fishing right now. One wrong step and I can just have a bad day right now. All right. We made it. Okay. Let's get to fishing. Got one. Ooh, all right. Closer to the bank. And this one's a little bit bigger. Nice. There you go. And here it is. Beautiful fish. Definitely a good spot to fish here in the Kern River. Catch all types of fish here. Here we go. Oh, got it. Felt that bite. Gave it a few seconds for it to take it. And here we are. Little bass. Another beauty. Okay. Oh, already. Oh, I caught that on the drop. Oh, this guy's bigger. I think. Yeah, oh yeah, he feels a lot bigger. Let's see what this guy is. Oh. 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 No. He snapped off. No. Wow, that guy must have been big. Jeez. Here we go. Got it. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay, this one's a little better. All right. Ooh, it's a nice bass. There you go. Beautiful bass. Oh yeah. It's got a little parasite on its forehead, but it's still beautiful. You're still a beauty. Cool. Little 0.75 half pounder. A little over a half a pound. Beautiful fish. This is actually a really good spot right here on the Kern River. Nice and open area, so much water, steady current, perfect bass fishing. Okay, I hooked onto one right now too. This one's a little bigger. What is this? Oh, I think it's a catfish. All right. Wow. Did not expect to catch a catfish here today. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's a decent one. Catch everything at the Kern River. Honestly. Look at this guy. It's a beautiful catfish. Let me just take this hook out. Oh, splashed me in the face. But there he goes. Nice and healthy. Found ourselves another cool little spot. Let's hike down there and make a few casts. There's like a little waterfall out there. Kern River, I'm telling you guys, you'd be surprised. You catch some monsters here. I've seen 5-pounders here. Catfish too. Big old catfish. Giant carp. I've caught a huge pike minnow before. Definitely worth the hike sometimes. Oh, well, as I was reeling it in, this fish just came up and just swallowed it. Nice. This fish must have been hungry. Perfect hook set too, right above the lip. Here we are. Beautiful bass. All day. Just came down from over there. A lot of poison ivy, so, and I'm wearing shorts. That's not a good idea. Should have brought some pants. Venturing further in, found ourselves a little shady area. Looks like a pretty decent spot. Let's check it out. Massive carp just swam by. Got it. Got one. Ooh, okay. Someone's putting up a little fight. All right. Today's a perfect day to catch fish. Look at that beauty. There we go. Here we have Robo Worm. Highly recommended. Not sponsored by these guys, but highly recommended brand. Margarita or Mutilator, 4.5 inch. Just by the tip right there. I wasn't able to catch it on camera, but wow, my first cast with the Robo Worm. These never fail. Definitely. Woo! Oh, another one. Oh, Oh, there it is, and my battery had just died. But yeah, here we go, got one. Beautiful. All right, came to one last spot. I'm gonna give it a try. Try the plopper for a bit. So far, it's been a good fishing day. Been catching quite a few fish, more than I expected. So there's that. So far, we've had a multi-species day. We got pike minnows, we got bass, catfish. All we needed was carp, bluegill, crappie. I've actually caught crappie in the river before. It's rare, only I think twice only, but it's certain spots, I guess, depending on where you go. Whew, I'm gonna start working my way back now. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm gonna be more active in my YouTubing in the next, well, from here on out. I'm gonna try to get at least 1 or 2 videos posted a week. At least. So, if you guys like the videos so far, stay tuned for more. Till then, adventure on, guys.